Welcome to Article Factory. Remove unwanted hair from your private parts naturally with this one ingredient, Painless. Most of us enjoy the silky, smooth, as well as lustrous hair on our heads, yet what about the hair on our various other body parts? Unwanted hair generally can be a cause of embarrassment for some people, whereas some find it an inconvenience to do. For areas such as the hands, legs or armpits, we have a variety of alternatives to eliminate those unwanted strands of hair. Yet when it involves pubic hair, it comes to be challenging. This is a delicate matter and we are normally too embarrassed to seek advice from others. As an issue of reality, eliminating pubic hair from your personal parts is not similar to shaving your legs or hands. The pubic region is much more softer and sensitive, and also more prone to cuts or damage. Along with that, the hair that expands in that location is typically thick and also coarse. Hence, you have to be extra careful. To make it easier for you, we are going to share an easy, pleasant, safe, and also economical way, most likely the most affordable, way to assist you eliminate unwanted hair from your exclusive parts. As well as, of course, you need not use any type of chemicals that will have an adverse effect on your wellness. All you need is one active ingredient, which usual house ingredient, and that is baking soda. Here is how you can use baking soda and get rid of hair from your intimate parts. What you need: 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. How to use: take a cup of water and heat it. Once it starts boiling, remove it from the heat and add a tablespoon of baking soda to it. Stir it well until you get a smooth paste. Now, take a cotton swab and soak it in the paste. Drain the excess water and apply this mixture on the area with unwanted hair. Now, cover the area with a patch and let it stay overnight. The next morning, after you get up, remove the patch and wash the area with lukewarm water. Let it dry and then apply a moisturizing cream over it. Repeat the procedure thrice a week. You will notice the results within a week of application and the coarse hair will start disappearing soon. But, if you do not want to apply baking soda to your intimate parts, here are a few other things you can do to remove the pubic hair. Opt for the method that is comfortable for you, and that suits the sensitivity of your skin. 1. Shaving your private parts. There are many ways that can help you remove the unwanted hair from your body parts. However, shaving remains the first and probably the most popular approach, especially when it comes to cleaning the pubic area. There are multiple types of razors, but I would recommend that you use an electric razor that is specially designed for this purpose. So, time to pamper yourself, and buy yourself a gift. But, as we mentioned earlier, every method has its own list of pros and cons. Let's discuss why we should opt for shaving, and why not. Pros of shaving your private parts. It is a quicker process as compared to other methods. It is convenient. Normal razors are very cheap. However, if you go for an electric razor, you can consider it is a one-time investment. It is not a painful method unless you cut yourself. Cons of shaving your private parts. After a point, it becomes a repetitive process. You shave it, and the hair grows back again in a few days. And you shave it again, and it goes on. After shaving, the skin becomes a bit itchy and uncomfortable. If done in a hurry, the chances of cuts are high. You might get rashes, or your skin might become red after shaving. 2. Waxing. Waxing is another popular method that many girls prefer. It is of 3 types: Brazilian wax, bikini wax, and Hollywood wax. The most popular one is the Brazilian wax, which has been popular since the 1980s. It helps you clean all the strands from your private area, leaving behind a small section that is usually termed as the landing strip. By the way, the shape of the landing strip is completely your choice. Bikini wax likewise removes hair along the bikini line, however doesn't get rid of the vaginal hair, And this is the factor several ladies like Brazilian wax over bikini wax. Hollywood waxing is almost similar to Brazilian waxing. The only difference is it cleans the area completely, without leaving any landing strip. Pros of waxing your bikini area. It helps in removing all the strands. You get relief for at least 20-30 days, which is much longer than shaving. The new strands of hair that grow are usually softer. The cost is reasonable. Cons of waxing your bikini area. It is a very painful process. If you have sensitive skin, I suggest you not to go for it since the genital area is very soft and can be easily damaged. There can be itching or inflammation of the skin. For next waxing session, you will have to wait until the hair grows back to 1/4 inch. 3. Laser treatment. Laser treatment is a one-time solution for all waxing or shaving problems. The treatment destroys the hair follicles completely, and the solution is really long-lasting. Pros of laser treatment. It is a permanent treatment. Your skin doesn't have to suffer a lot. It is not painful at all. Cons of laser treatment. It is one of the most expensive methods of hair removal. It is a bit time-taking process. To permanently stop the hair growth, you might have to go for several sessions. 4. Creams. There are numerous depilatory creams readily available in the market that help in cleaning your personal area. All you have to take care of is to use a top-quality item. That was all about taking care of your private parts. Our take would always be to go with natural and safe home remedies as they are not harsh on our skin. We hope you enjoyed reading the article. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.